champagne and the fireworks are through. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. At the end of the party, and the morning seems so great, so unlike yesterday. Now it's time for us to say Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Maybe I'll